The snow falls softly outside, a blanket of white covering the world. But in here, it's warmth, the crackle of the fire, the scent of pine, and something else, something delicious simmering on the stove. There's nothing quite like a winter's night in a cozy cabin, especially when a hot meal is on its way. I love these moments. The quiet hum of the stove, the gentle bubbling of a rich stew, the clinking of pots and pans. It's a symphony of comfort. My hands are busy, chopping fresh vegetables, stirring the pot, adding just the right spices. Each ingredient tells a story. Each aroma promises a taste of pure contentment. Outside, the wind might howl, but inside, we're safe, we're warm, and we're about to share something truly special. The steam rises, carrying with it the promise of hearty flavors. This isn't just food. It's an experience. It's the warmth spreading through your body, chasing away the chill. It's the laughter and conversation that will soon fill this space. It's the simple joy of good company and good food. The table is set, the fire glows, and the meal is almost ready. Come closer. Feel the warmth, smell the incredible aroma. This is what winter nights are made for. A perfect hot meal shared in the perfect cozy cabin. Pure bliss.